Owen Oslaywe here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a returning subscriber, what up? If you're a new viewer, thank you so much for being here today. Really appreciate you sharing this moment with me and the rest of the Slayerz family. Don't forget, please give this video a thumbs up in the section below and share it with anywhere from 1 to 5 people who you think will have an interest for this content.
I mean, who wouldn't?
Lastly, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click on that notification bell so that you get notified each time that I upload a brand new video to my YouTube channel. If you're enjoying this look today and you're really getting into and you want to learn how to do this look for yourself, stick around and we're gonna get right into it next. Cue the intro. So welcome back. So we're gonna get right into this. So the first thing we're gonna do is take a white eyeliner pencil. This one is from Kiss, so beauty supply. She's very affordable. I'm gonna start to like sketch out this first splat paint where I want my look to be. So I'm gonna just start to create it right here. And then I want to do a piece right here. Boom, so we sketched out the shapes where we want our splatters to be. Now we're gonna literally start working like a regular look, but in those respective areas. Let's do foundation first. For foundation today, I'm taking my L'Oreal True Match foundation. It's one of my favorites. I used it a lot at the beginning of my channel, but we're getting right back to it. I'm gonna be using 3 brushes. I'm gonna use my Mary Kay flat foundation brush in the larger areas of my face, and then I'm gonna use these 2 smaller brushes to detail. This is a pointed brush that I have. There's no name on it. I'm not sure, but it's a pointed blending brush. And then I'm gonna use my Morphe R42 as well. This is a concealer brush. Let's begin. Okay, so I've gotten the outline down for the most part, and I'm just gonna work on starting to fill that in. So what I'm gonna do now is take this black liner pencil and I'm gonna start to sketch out the outer part of this shape again, and then work on creating those shadows. So what I'm doing now is going in with more foundation and just really defining those edges again. So what I'm going to do next is go in with this white pencil and I'm going to add in some highlights to make this look more three-dimensional. What I'm gonna do next to add to the shadows and making this look more three-dimensional is go in with my Morphe M506 brush, and I'm gonna take my Morphe 35OM palette and dip into a darker brown shade. Let's see what we have available to us. Oh my, if I can open it. So I'm gonna go in with this dark brown right here, and I'm gonna use that to give this more of a shadowed smoke look and make it look even more 3D. So next what I'm gonna do is go back into those dark areas with my white pencil, and I'm gonna just define it by adding highlights over that. We're trying to play with lights and shadows over here. We are creating a new piece, a new structure on our face, okay? Alright guys, so I'm gonna do the same thing to my lip and then we're gonna be right back. Okay, so we're back. Brow time. Today to do my brows, I'm gonna be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Chocolate Pomade and my Anastasia Beverly Hills tool. Shall we begin? Okay, now that I have my brow drawn in, I'm gonna go in with concealer. For concealer today, I'm gonna be using my MAC Studio Fix. You already know what it's giving. And I'm gonna actually use some Tarte as well on my bottom part. Period. Moving on to eyes. To set my eyelids, we're gonna be using the beloved Carity Eyeshadow Eyelid Primer. I'm calling it whatever I want. Let me see.
It's the Carity Pre-Shadow Long-Lasting Anti-Crease Primer for your eyes.
And today we only have one eye to work on, so I'm gonna put it right here. So for my eyes today, I'm feeling creative. I want to do something that's possibly going to match my clothing. So I'm going to be using my Makeup Forever Flash Palette to do a graphic liner moment. But before I do that, we're going to lay down a base of color on our lids. So we're going to go in with the Morphe 35RM today and our Morphe Holiday Eye Slay Collection Loose Blending Brush. So I'm going to dip into this color right here actually and this one right here. Let's use those two today. Let me get my mirror in hand and let's start blending. So I'm gonna start right in my crease right here and then blend it up towards my brow bone. Okay, to move this look further along, what I'm gonna do is...
Look what I spy.
Now don't gag, cause look. Oh my god, this is such a mess. I felt a piece fall out, oh my gosh. So we're gonna be using what's left of my trophy wife today. Sickening! Taking our Makeup Forever Flash Palette, I'm gonna dip into, let me see, what color do I wanna use to do this? I know I said yellow. I'm gonna use yellow. Alright, now that we're done with this moment right here, I'm gonna do some concealer under my eye. Now you already know what I'm gonna use. Say it with me.
MAC Pseudo Finish Concealer.
I'm also gonna use this yellow in my waterline today. I wanna try something new, so we're gonna spread it right here and I'm gonna kinda do a cat eye situation. So we're literally almost done with this look. I need to get a lip color on. I need to get my lash on. Let's do lashes first. So for lashes today, I'm going to be putting on my Lily, lash. Today I'm going to be wearing my Lily Lash Miami So Extra again because I love it. Let's get them on. Ooh, so we're basically almost at the end. I just need to highlight and put on a lip tint. So I have a dupe for you guys real quickly as I do my lips today. If you want the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dusty Rose, but you maybe can't afford it or can't get your hands on it right now because COVID, there's also Carity. You can look at them and see what they have and see what their options are. They're definitely a lot more affordable. I'll have the price in this part of my screen right here. But we're gonna be using this today. So this is the Carity matte liquid lipstick, and this is the lip lock, that's what they're calling it, and the shade is, ooh, I'll have to look on the website and give it to y'all because it's not on here. But let's go ahead. I'm just gonna tint my lips with this a little bit. Just a little stain. Okay. Slayerz. So we're almost done. There's one more thing I want to do. I want to add a few splatter spots. Going in again with my R42 Morphe concealer brush, and I'm going to dip into foundation, and I'm just going to create like the moment right there, and then I want another one right here, and we'll put another one right here. Okay, then taking my pencil, I'm going to start to make a shape around it. Alright Slayers, so this is the completed look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it today. We had something a little bit more creative, a little bit more art pop, a little bit more
Pop art.
I can't take myself. But I really do hope that you guys enjoyed this look today. If you guys enjoyed this video today, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up in the section down below, as well as share with anywhere from 1 to 5 people who you think would have an interest for this content. All with respect to makeup, let them know so that you can bring them over and have them join the Slayerz family. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and
click
on that notification bell so that you get a notification each time that I upload a brand new video to my YouTube channel. Slayers, thank you so much again for watching today. I really appreciate you guys being here so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I'll see you in the next video, and until then, remember, slay always and always. That's on period, sis. Bye.